We are tracking breaking news out of the East Bay. Firefighters are on the scene of a huge warehouse fire in Oakland. Sky 7 shows the flames coming from the building. This is at 72nd Avenue and Hawley Street. This is near the Coliseum BART station. The Oakland Fire Department tweeted multiple power lines are down, so it's a dangerous situation there. Firefighters say there was heavy smoke billowing into the sky when they first arrived. No word yet on any possible injuries or if anyone was inside the warehouse when the fire started. We will continue to monitor this breaking news and bring you new information as soon as we get it.